Hello, everybody. I just listened to the radio and I just wanted to get your opinion on it. So, new laws came down from Medicare, CMS, stating that they're going to impose the 48-hour cool down period, which is basically a waiting period for an insurance sales agent to enroll somebody who is Medicare eligible into a standalone drug program or a Medicare Advantage plan. Now, there's two ways I look at this, and I'd want your opinion in the description of this video. Put your comments down below. One way I look at it is, yes, the safety and protection of the senior population that might be confused by Medicare insurance, which obviously is a nightmare in understanding, but also Medicare insurance plans that have all these different benefits and so forth. So there is the idea, or the position is, do we do it in a safety to allow someone to think about enrolling? Or the other part of this is a senior who is obviously capable of making decisions on their own, unable to make decisions on their own at their own will because the government says that they can't. So listen, put your comments in the description of this video. I'd like to hear what you have to say, and just to kind of get an idea of what your thoughts are, because regardless, the rule's coming, and it's going to happen in the 2023 fall enrollment period for 2024. All right? Again, Jamie with Medicare Coverage Options. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Make sure you hit that subscribe button.